Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on how to set up custom alerts for futures in TradingView, brought to you by Optimus Futures. Now, most of us know about alerts. They notify you when conditions are met, whether it's a price, indicator, or drawing tools, crossovers, and more. So it's exceptionally useful when you don't want to pay attention to something or you want to be able to do something else and have it alert you when things are going to happen. So to start, we're going to show you how to set up alert. There are two ways to access it. The first is by clicking on the alert up at the top. You can see that you can hit Alt-A to create an alert. The second way is to use the widgets on the right-hand side, click on the alerts, and come into the alerts and hit Create an Alert. Immediately, you'll be greeted by a window that has three areas: Settings, Message, and Notifications. You'll select the symbol that you want to work with from the dropdown. It will be the one that you are currently looking at on the chart. Then you have conditions that you can use. So you can use price, for example, and price crossing above or below a value. It can be crossing up. You can go through all these different types of items to pick the one that you want. And then you have value, SMA, or the 21 period moving average, which are two other indicators that we have on the chart. But for now, we'll do an alert that has it when it crosses up above 59.61. And it do it either once or every single time, and you can set the expiration. Now, the message allows you to put in whatever you would want. You can add a custom name as well. And notifications allow you to choose where to have this happen: on the app, show toast notification, email, webhook URL, play a sound, and plain text. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, but ultimately I'm going to go ahead and do this one and hit create. And now we have an active one, and you can see that it triggered, immediately got a notification down here, and everything has happened. Okay, so now let's look at a second type of alert that you can do. So a second type of alert would be an SMA crossing. So I have the 5-period simple moving average and the 21-period simple moving average. So let's say we have the 5-period simple moving average crossing below the 21-period simple moving average. So I'm going to go in here and crossing down and select that. Pick the interval, which is going to be the same as the chart. I can do once per bar close, once per bar, once per minute, or only once. And then I can come in here again, put the message that I want to receive and the notifications, and ultimately take care of that and hit create. Now you can come over here into the widget and see all the different notifications that you have available. Now, if you want to come in and add alerts to other items, you can come in and change to a different contract. So in this case, we'll put up the NQ contract, pick the NASDAQ E-mini futures, and in here you can add an alert similar to what you did in there, the NASDAQ, and you can add in all the different values, pick what you want, and hit create. But ultimately, it is a pretty straightforward process, and you can see the log of all of the activity in here. You can also see the alerts that are available here, where you can restart them, edit them, and trash them if you want. So that's what we have for today. Thank you for joining us in this video tutorial. And remember, there is substantial risk of loss in futures trading. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Please trade only with risk capital. Thank you all for joining us today, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.